complete forecast, here's KATC Chief Meteorologist Rob Perillo.
Welcome back. Well, if you're following me on Facebook and Twitter last night, just want to show you this. This is the Falcon 9 booster rocket taking a rest in Lafayette by I-10 and Ambassador Caffrey, right in front of the Epic Family Entertainment Center, which is in the old Sam's parking lot. And check this rocket out. It's about 200 feet long, and they got to get this on I-10. It goes from California to the Kennedy Space Center. I don't know if this is a refurbished one. This is the same rocket that takes off and then lands on its own. That's some pretty cool stuff. So next time we see that, we'll make sure we announce it. I got word of it around 9 o'clock last night, but I didn't know if it stays there or not, but they can't move that thing during the nighttime hours. So occasionally at Parks in Lafayette, we've seen one here earlier in the month and also during the course of the summer. So keep your eyes peeled when you get off I-10 right at that intersection there by Ambassador Caffrey and I-10. Weather-wise, getting back down to the old terra firma. Well, it's snow and winter season up in the northeast where you see the blue, back in the west as well. This weather system is going to be our weekend weather system, and in between we still have scattered showers associated with a frontal boundary that's finally going to be pushing on through tonight, and those showers sparking up this afternoon. In fact, we saw a little sunshine earlier in the day. It looked like the forecast was going to bust, but sure enough, the clouds came back in and the showers developed. Now we're seeing most of the shower activity down across the coastal parishes and eastern portions of Acadiana. Not much going on back to the west, so we'll take a close look at some of the shower activity that's in Upper St. Martin Parish, right along I-10 from near the Bro Bridge area all the way through Butte La Rose, and then getting on out to the Whiskey Bay area, and then on the other side of the basin by the Gross Tate area. And farther to the south, we're also seeing some shower activity in around the Intracoastal City area. Mostly showers, not expecting any thunderstorms. This activity also riding north and east, just south of Highway 14 and approaching Highway 9182 in Iberia Parish. So still some rain chances early this evening, but they'll gradually taper as we get deeper into the nighttime hours. We have that cool front that'll be pushing on through. Maybe a few sprinkles behind the front, but we should be dry as we head into tomorrow morning. But lingering clouds first thing in the morning with temperatures somewhere in the lower 60s, upper 50s. The graph model is still keeping us mild, but it's going to cool down. It will clear out though for the afternoon. It's going to be breezy and cooler overall. Notice temperatures tomorrow afternoon in the mid 60s. Some high clouds out there, but generally fair skies and chilly conditions moving in tomorrow night with lows getting down to 40. And look at this, come Thursday morning, that feels like temperature is going to be in the mid 30s. So back to sweaters and jackets, and then we only warm up to the mid to possibly upper 50s for your Thursday afternoon. But at least we'll see the sun, so brighter days ahead and some high clouds going into Friday morning as well. And look at this, temperatures getting down into the mid to upper 30s. There'll be a little bit of a wind chill, and there might even be some patchy frost in the region, especially along and north of the I-10 corridor. So keep that in mind. A lot of folks asking me, can we start planting our summer vegetables? No, we have the chance of a freeze through the last week of February and the first week of March. So don't be lulled by the mild weather we have had of late. We got plenty of 30s in the forecast down the line. I don't see sub-freezing temperatures, but that could certainly happen at least through the first couple of weeks of February. Tomorrow you're going to notice that's going to be the wind. Wind's going to be gusting out of the north-northwest at about 15 to 25. Few gusts in the 25 to 28 mile-an-hour range. So that's going to make it feel a little bit cooler. So tonight, scattered showers. They gradually taper by morning. Rain chance highest over the next several hours, turning breezy and cooler. And tomorrow, breezy and cool day, but temperatures still above normal for the time of the year. But that afternoon sun will make it feel better, and that brisk north wind will be kicking in. As we move down the road, cool days ahead through Friday, but back into the lower 70s as we head into this weekend, with the next chance of rain late Saturday night, early Sunday, and then another cool down followed by another warm up, and rain chances followed by another cool down. And that's the story of the 10-day forecast. Marcel?